Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable Bluetooth on your KOBO Elipsa 2E. So first, what you guys need to do is go over to settings. Now select Bluetooth connection, and right in the options sections, you'll guys see the Bluetooth. Now here you guys can enable it by tapping on the switch right here. So as you guys can see, now it will scan for every device that is in the pairing mode, and that's basically it. So this is how you guys can easily enable the Bluetooth. Here you guys can disable it by tapping on the switch again, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.